Hi guys, today I'm going to share my new simple strategy that will help you earn $700 on binary options trading. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss my new working trading strategies. Visit my Telegram channel, there you will find free trading signals and I will personally answer your questions to help you achieve financial success. Are you ready? Come on! I'm an expert in trading and in this video I will show you how I earn money from trading. Use strategies to make money trading with minimal risks. You can use my strategies that I show you and use them. Then the most important, think with a cool head and do not rely on emotions when trading. Always conduct an analysis before operations. I know you can't wait to get down to business. Pay close attention to what I say and what I do. Click like button and let's go! The most exciting part of my video is my new trading strategy, which is guaranteed to work 100%. My strategy is based on one key indicator, momentum. With this indicator, I determine in which direction our chart will go. Everything is simple here. If the yellow line intersects with the blue line and goes down, it means that there is a decline in the chart, as well as vice versa. Also, for convenience, we will turn on the SMA indicator. It will help us better navigate trading situation. And now the settings. I will leave everything to the basic settings. I turn on only two momentum and SMA indicator. I leave the settings for the two indicators as standard. Now turn on the candles, set the interval to 1 minute, the transaction time is also 1 minute and we can start. Start with the amount of $50. It is from this amount that we will go out at $700. We open the compatibility composite index and open our first trade for an increase in the amount of $50. Here we observe the intersection of the lines in the momentum indicator towards the rise. This is our signal. We see how our first deal confidently turns into a plus. Do you want to achieve financial success? Join our team of traders and receive detailed signals for successful trading daily. Increase your income with us. The link in the description of this video is waiting for you. We put the amount of $97 on the second deal. The second deal will be the same in this index. Analyze the situation and make a deal also for an increase for 1 minute. Here, the momentum indicator also shows the intersection of the lines towards the rise. This is how our deal is coming to an end. As we can see, our strategy is working. Our second transaction ends in a plus. Our balance is already $187. Now we are increasing our transaction amount by $187. We open the next deal for an increase for 1 minute. In this case, the SMA indicator shows us a sharp rise in the chart. So the deal is over, the next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance at $362. Let's keep going to our goal of $700. This time we open a deal for a 1 minute rise. In this case, the SMA indicator also shows us a sharp rise in the chart. So we see that the deal is over. The next correct deal in a row. We observe our balance at $699. Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $700 from just $50. All our deals were confidently and successfully closed, which shows that my strategy works very well. Good luck and good profits to you all! Do you see, all you need is just the right strategy. And if you want to increase your income and life level, join my Telegram channel and also follow my referral link to Olymp Trade. I see you in my next videos. Goodbye to all and have good profits!